Oh yeah, with the breakdown of all the deposits.
Yes.
The 250 now and the 950 that we pay first month.
Yeah.
Is that something we get back at the end?
Yes.
Okay. And then the £100, £50 is the checking and all that.
Yeah, that's you
Okay.
in our background.
Yeah. That's fine. That's what I thought. And it doesn't matter that my guarantors are Canadian.
That's, well, it will be. It does matter actually. It's slightly more expensive. Basically, we'll do anything else that they're checking our charges on first day. It's international.
What is their average citizen? Sounds like. Thank you. See, this is why I brought other people with me. Oh, it's a nice settee. Take a show that couch. Oh, it's on movie mode.
And this one we really like. She was absolutely loving it. She got professional. I was professional and we just didn't check off.
Okay, I can't even figure out.